Whether you're recovering from surgery, living with limited mobility, or just need a dependable everyday wheelchair, finding the right one can make all the difference. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best wheelchairs for adults that offer comfort, durability, and ease of use. Let's get started. Number 5 on our list is the Medline K11 wheelchair for adults. The Medline K11 wheelchair for adults combines comfort, durability, and ease of use to create an ideal mobility solution for individuals seeking independence and reliability in their everyday lives. Designed with user comfort in mind, the Medline K11 features a spacious seat measuring 18W x 16D, offering ample room for a variety of users. Its swing-back, desk-length arms allow for easy lateral transfers, making it simpler to sit at desks or tables. The swing-away leg rests enhance accessibility, providing convenient entry and exit from the chair. This thoughtful design ensures that users experience maximum comfort and ease throughout the day. Durability is at the core of the Medline K11 wheelchair. Weighing 38 lbs, it supports a weight capacity of up to 300 lbs, making it a robust choice for daily use. Built to handle both indoor and outdoor environments, this wheelchair is equipped to navigate various terrains while maintaining stability and reliability. Maneuverability is another standout feature of the Medline K11. With precision bearings and large wheels, the wheelchair ensures smooth movement, allowing users to navigate tight spaces and roll over uneven surfaces effortlessly. This easy maneuverability fosters greater independence, enabling users to confidently navigate their surroundings. Convenience is a key design consideration, with a folding structure that includes adjustable, swing-away footrests for easy transfers. This feature not only simplifies getting in and out of the chair but also makes storage and transport more manageable. The wheelchair is compact enough for home use and travel. Overall, the Medline K11 wheelchair offers a well-rounded solution for users seeking comfort, durability, and ease of movement, making it an excellent choice for everyday mobility needs. Number 4 is the Drive Medical Blue Streak wheelchair for adults. The Drive Medical Blue Streak wheelchair for adults offers a combination of portability, durability, and comfort, making it an excellent choice for users who need mobility assistance. Weighing just 41 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to transport, perfect for those on the go. Its compact design allows it to fold down to only 12.5 inches in width, making storage and travel hassle-free, even in tight spaces. Designed with durability in mind, the Blue Streak wheelchair comes equipped with enhanced tires and a push-to-lock functionality, ensuring safety and stability when the chair is stationary. The 18-inch seat width provides ample room for most users, while the swing-away footrests contribute to added comfort. The flip-back desk arms not only offer padded support but also allow users to easily transfer in and out of the wheelchair. The wheelchair's single-axle design and solid, lightweight wheels ensure smooth maneuverability, allowing users to navigate through most doorways with ease. It is versatile, thanks to features like the flip-back armrests and swing-away footrests, which make it ideal for various activities, such as sitting at a table or desk. The removable footrests further enhance accessibility and ease of transfer. With overall dimensions of 42 inches in length, 24 inches in width, and 36 inches in height, the Blue Streak offers a stable base, while still being compact enough for both indoor and outdoor use. The generous 300-pound weight capacity ensures it can accommodate a wide range of users, providing comfort and support wherever it's needed. Coming in at number 3 is the Invacare Tracer 4 wheelchair for adults. The Invacare Tracer 4 wheelchair for adults is designed with durability and comfort in mind, making it an excellent choice for individuals seeking a reliable mobility solution. Crafted with a heavy-duty frame and gusseted sides, the wheelchair features 14-gauge steel crossbraces that provide enhanced strength. This construction ensures the chair can withstand the daily demands of active users, offering long-lasting performance. Smooth rollability is a key feature of the Invacare Tracer 4. Equipped with 8-inch semi-pneumatic rear wheels and 24-inch composite pneumatic tires, the wheelchair ensures smooth maneuverability across a variety of surfaces. The flat-free inserts further reduce the risk of punctures, allowing users to navigate confidently without worrying about tire issues. The Tracer 4 is designed with a high weight capacity of 350 lbs, making it suitable for a wide range of users. This bariatric wheelchair offers stability and comfort, accommodating individuals with different needs while maintaining reliable support throughout daily activities. Customization is at the heart of the Invacare Tracer 4. The dual-axle design allows for seat-to-floor height adjustments ranging from 17.5 inches to 19.5 inches, ensuring users can find their ideal positioning. The seat's generous width of 22 inches and depth of 18 inches provides ample room for comfort, while the desk-length armrests enable users to position themselves closer to tables, promoting ease during tasks like dining or working. Additional customization options are available, such as front riggings, leg rests, and footrests, which can be purchased separately. This allows users to tailor the wheelchair further to their individual needs, providing an optimized experience for daily use. Number 2 is the Sumell Magnesium Wheelchair for Adults. The Sumell Magnesium Wheelchair for Adults is a thoughtfully designed mobility aid that combines strength, comfort, and portability. Its ultra-lightweight magnesium alloy frame offers both durability and ease of use, making it a reliable choice for individuals who need mobility assistance. The frame's construction ensures longevity while remaining manageable for users. Comfort is a key feature of this wheelchair, with padded armrests and swing-away leg rests that enhance user relaxation. The larger rear wheels improve the wheelchair's performance on uneven outdoor surfaces, enabling smooth navigation across different terrains. Additionally, top handbrakes offer better control over speed, promoting safety and confidence for users. Designed for convenience, the Sumell Magnesium wheelchair boasts easy assembly with no tools required, allowing users to quickly set it up without any hassle. The quick-release wheels and removable footrests make it easy to transport, especially for those who travel frequently. Its folding design also ensures simple storage, making it an excellent choice for individuals on the go. Weighing only 21 lbs, including wheels and footrests, the Sumell Magnesium wheelchair strikes a balance between size and portability. With a seat width of 17.5 inches, it comfortably accommodates most adults, while its lightweight construction ensures easy handling and maneuverability. Safety is also a priority in the design of the Sumell Magnesium wheelchair. The inclusion of both rear and handbrakes ensures secure stopping, while anti-tippers provide added stability to reduce the risk of tipping over. These safety features offer peace of mind, making the wheelchair an ideal option for users who prioritize both mobility and security. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Karman S-115-Q wheelchair for adults. The Karman S-115-Q wheelchair for adults offers a combination of lightweight design, ergonomic features, and adjustable components, making it an excellent choice for those seeking comfort and convenience. Weighing just 25 lbs, it is one of the lightest wheelchairs available, which makes it easier to maneuver, transport, and lift. This is especially beneficial for individuals who need to frequently transfer or move their wheelchair. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the Karman S-115-Q ensures comfort during extended periods of use. The design reduces strain on the user's body, providing support that enhances overall comfort. For further customization, the wheelchair comes with a removable footrest and an adjustable height feature, which allows users to tailor the setup to their personal needs, regardless of their height. One of the standout features of the Karman S-115-Q is the quick-release rear wheels. These 24-inch wheels can be easily detached, making transport and storage more convenient. This feature is especially helpful for users with limited storage space or those who need to fit the wheelchair into smaller vehicles. The wheelchair is also equipped with flat-free tires, both on the rear wheels and the 7-inch front casters, ensuring that users can navigate both indoor and outdoor environments without the concern of tire punctures or maintenance. The Karman S-115-Q supports a weight capacity of 250 lbs, making it versatile enough to accommodate a variety of body types, further solidifying its practical design and functionality for daily use.